Hello traders, welcome again in today's video. We are going to show you another Statergy. Kindly focus on video. So open Olymp Trade, add indicators, parabolic and zigzag. The stop is ready. Homies, now let's see how to make trades make a up trade when the parabolic appear below the green candle and zigzag moves up. Now let's see how to make down trades make a trade when the parabolic appear above the red candle and zigzag moves down. Now let's make trades. I make a trade. Let's see result. Yeah, we win. Subscribe for more Statergies.